In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and customize your logo on the Sense theme in Shopify. We'll guide you through this simple process step by step, ensuring your brand gets the polished representation it deserves. So, let's dive right in by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you'll want to direct your attention towards the left-hand menu. You'll see an option for Online Store. Click on that, and then select Themes from the drop-down menu. This is where all the visual magic happens for your site. Once you're in the Themes section, you need to locate your active theme, which is the Sense theme in this case. You should see it prominently displayed, and right next to it, there's a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize to enter the theme editor, a versatile tool that lets you modify various aspects of your online store's appearance. Inside the theme editor, focus your gaze on the left-hand sidebar. Among the different tabs and icons, there's a gear icon labeled Theme Settings. Clicking this icon will reveal another set of options. Here, you'll want to select Logo, which is usually categorized under Header Branding. This is the specific section where you can upload or make changes to your site's logo, ensuring it stands out just right on your storefront. Now, within the Logo section, you'll find an option to upload or select an image. This is your chance to make your brand shine. If you click on Select Image or Upload, it will allow you to choose your logo file from your computer or previously uploaded files. It's a straightforward process, but here's a critical point to remember. Ensure the image file you choose is in PNG or JPG format, and of a sufficiently high resolution. This is key because many users have found that if their logo image is too low resolution, it can appear small or blurry, which isn't ideal for making a strong impression. Once uploaded, you'll often find additional options at your disposal. You might have the ability to add alt text, which is great for accessibility and SEO, or adjust the logo's width and size to better fit your design needs, especially if different versions are available for mobile and desktop views. These customization options allow for a more tailored fit for your logo, ensuring it looks just right, no matter how your customers are browsing your store. The final step is crucial. Make sure to click Save in the theme editor. This will ensure all the changes you've just made are applied and live on your site. It's a simple step, but one you don't want to overlook. And there you have it. A detailed walkthrough of uploading and customizing your logo on the Sense theme in Shopify. By following these instructions, you can present your brand professionally and attractively on your online store. Whether you're updating an existing logo or adding a new one for the first time, a clear and well-displayed logo can make all the difference in showing off your brand identity. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.